everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to LGS. Let me say something. Go Raptors! Go Raptors! All right, if you are going for Raptors, or if you just want to give us some love because the game is tonight and there's a chance that we might win, then like this video and just say a prayer. Say a prayer, because Toronto hasn't won anything since 1982. No, 92. Feels like it hasn't been since 1855, but it's 1992 or 94 when the Toronto Blue Jays took the World Series. Anyways, go Raptors. Right, as you read in the description, we're going to be unboxing LUXEBOX, the Canadian box LUXEBOX. This box is, I paid $29 and change taxes in for this box, but I think it's $26 Canadian. It's a seasonal box. It comes out every 3 months. So this is June. They do sometimes have an editor's box. If you can't get, like June's box, then I will leave my link down below. So check that out, and hopefully you can get the editor's box. If not, the next box will come out in September. And this box, I got this box all last year. And I canceled in December because I was like, you know what? It's repeats from Topbox, right? And then the box came out in March. And oh my God, I just really lost my mind. They had the Ole Henriksen eye cream in the box. So this is June. And wow, like they really stepped this box up for $26 every 3 months. Let's go into the box. I just took off the tape. We're going to see what we got. All right, let's do it. Oh, I got a beauty surprise. So, like Topbox, they will ask you, sometimes Topbox is every other month, if you want the $10 beauty surprise. They did the same thing with LUXEBOX this month. Let me tell you first of all what happened. They sent out the email about Topbox. You can hear my kids, they just got home. They sent out an email about the LUXEBOX survey, and if you want an add-on, I didn't get the email. So I sent them an email saying, hey, I didn't get my email, right? So then I look on my account and it says I'm going to be getting charged June 15th, but I'm like, but I didn't get charged May 15th for my box, for this box for June. So I sent an email. They wrote back and said, oh yeah, you did. You got charged. It's okay. Don't worry about it. I'm like, okay, great. So then the box started coming out. I go back on my account and I'm like, you know what? I think they might have been talking about Topbox, saying that I got charged May 20th for my box and I'll get it June 15th. So, but I did send the email to LUXEBOX. So anyways, I got in touch with Topbox, LUXEBOX, whoever on Twitter, and I was private messaging the sweet girl that works for that company, and I explained what happened, and I'm like, I think I sent my email to LUXEBOX support, but I think they were thinking that I was talking about my Topbox, and I wasn't. I was talking about LUXEBOX, which I had written in the email. So they came back to me and they're so sorry, there was a glitch. When they took my payment out in February for March box, it jumped to June. So if I didn't catch it and email it, I wouldn't have gotten this box. And because I didn't get the email for the $10 add-on, they were kind enough to send it to me free. Guys, would you look at what I got? The $10 add-on is Drunk Elephant. Oh my God. So they were kind enough to send me this free. The Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Serum. What is this, like 80 bucks at Sephora? I don't know. It's full size, 30 ml. And I know some people were getting this in their boxes as their $10 add-on. Like, oh my God. LUXEBOX, you did this. Like, what? The C Firma Day Serum. L-ascorbic acid. I'm going to mess up those words. But Drunk Elephant, thank you so much. I really appreciate LUXEBOX, Topbox for sending this to me. This is so damn freaking awesome. I cannot wait to get into the actual box. So let's just throw this away. So the box came in the black box that usually we get our Topbox in. Again, LUXEBOX, Topbox, they're sister companies, right? So here's my LUXEBOX. Let's get into it. All right, first thing in my box is a Nars Concealer. And oh my God, what is this, like $46 at Sephora? I got the shade Light Vanilla. Let's see, please. I got my shade. I'm so happy because I did get one of these as a Private box from Topbox. Yes, I'm so happy, and it wasn't my shade. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so this box cost me $29, and look at the value that I've had in two things already. I'm telling you, I will leave my link down below. This is Canadian, and you can get it, I believe, in USA as well. All right, and then in USA, I think it's only going to cost you like $24, $22, something like that. All right, so the next thing in this box, and you're supposed to get 7 items, either full or deluxe sizes. And we did receive this in a top box once. It's the Douce or Douche blue eyeliner, and I know exactly. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to give it to a friend of mine. I work with her, so I'm going to give it to her, but it's the blue Douce eyeliner, you know, back in the 90s. Back in the 90s. Ooh, we also have this Revlon Lotus-Flower hair treatment, and we've received this a few times in Topbox, and I think in LuxeBox as well. I really, really like this hair treatment. I'm not mad that this is a repeat because I really do like it, but sometimes you do get repeats in your LuxeBox. Just so you know, this is new. So, like, everything got these little things, right? I'm just digging through the box. This is the Rouge Velvet Bordeaux lipstick. And how in the bloody... How do I... Oh. Ooh, look at this color. This is Rouge Velvet, number 13. So let me swatch this. That's what it looks like right there. You know I got to. Let's see. Oh, it's very nice. Nice and creamy. Thank God it's not a matte. I really like that lipstick, though. Really like. What do you think? I like that lipstick. I like it. I do. I really, really do. Okay, and then we have this Chummy Digger right here. Dirty Little Secret. And remember, you're supposed to get 7 items. I can't even, oh. You hear that? That's a good one. You know when you get the bubble wrap in your subscription boxes and you're like, oh yeah, that's a good one? This one is a good one. All right, Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics. What is this? You know when you get old and your eyes go, it's a bronzer. Oh, all right. Let's see if we can open this baby up. Okay, so it's a bronzer. It looks like it's dark. Maybe I can use it. Oh, wow, it's creamy. I like that. And that's the color. So I'm thinking I can probably use this as a contour shade. That's all right. Happy with that. It felt creamy. It's like this creamy powder, which I'm really enjoying that. Okay, next thing we got is this face mask by Purlisse, and it is the Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. That's pretty cool. I really don't like sheet masks, so this is probably going to go in a giveaway. But that's pretty cool. I know people really like these sheet masks. Oh my God. Okay, seriously. Okay, seriously, people. You got to step back for a minute. Remember, this box cost me $29. It's every 3 months. I will leave the description to the link down below in my description box. We got the Drunk Elephant as a $10 add-on. Already, we got Nars Concealer in this box, which is $46. So the Nars is 1 item. The mask is 2 items. The Dirty Little Secret is 3. The lipstick is 4. The eyeliner is 5. The Revlon is 6. I think I'm missing something. Right? Because there's supposed to be 7 items. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I did get my 7 item. Look. You're not going to believe it. I'm telling you right now, like, if I can figure out how to open this Chummy Digger up, you're going to go nuts when you see what I got. Seriously. Oh my God. I cannot believe that we got this in the box. Like, I can't believe it. I'm so excited, though. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Huda Beauty, everybody. Nude. The Huda Beauty Nude eyeshadow palette. in this box. Wow. This is not cardboard, the cover. It's like a plastic. I can't believe we got Huda Beauty. This, oh my God, in our box. I have been dying for this eyeshadow palette. It's $85 at Sephora. It is gorgeous. It comes with this beautiful little cover, the cover over your eyeshadow, and it comes with a mirror as well. I'm just going to cover the mirror with that little cover. Look at these beautiful colors. The new Nude eyeshadow palette, high pigmentation, 18 eyeshadows. Oh my God, look at them. They're so beautiful. I have a question though. Here's my question for all of you out there who are so good with eyeshadow palettes. You see these colors right here? It's like a glitter. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm just going to swatch it right here. You see that? It's like a glitter. So obviously I would use a glitter glue for this one, right? And then you have these ones up here. Oh, that's a shimmer. That is funky. You see that? Like this, it's a shimmer. I thought it was like a glitter too, but it's not. Isn't that gorgeous? I am so happy right now. I cannot believe LUXEBOX did this. I am so happy. $26. We got the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. We got the Nars Concealer. We got a bronzer from Dirty Little Secrets. The Purely face mask, which is all right. The Deuce eyeliner. We also got this Bordeaux lipstick. I'm loving this color. And we got the Revlon hair treatment, which I really like this as well. Not mad that it's a repeat. And for $10 freaking dollars, which I got it for free because they, screwed up my account. But I know other people got this. Drunk Elephant, the vitamin C serum. How can you go wrong? That is crazy. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Everyone, please leave a comment down below. Let me know, did you get this box? What did you get? Did you get an add-on? What was it? Are you not freaked out by this box? Like LUXEBOX, you did this. You did the Ole Hendrickson, back in March. If you're not signed up for this box, then, God, I don't want to say anything because I don't want the next box to be crap, but oh my God, they are on a good track record. This was fabulous, and even still, $26 every 3 months. Go sign up. You're guaranteed at least to get 4 items out of the 7 that you're going to like in your box. Do you know what I mean? $26 every 3 months. Sign up. It's a Canadian company. Show them some love. That's it, everyone. Don't forget to like my video. Go Raptors. Go Raptors. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I do a live the last Friday of every month at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We have so much fun. And if you're looking to find more followers on all your social media handle accounts, send me a picture or a postcard. My address is in the description box down below. When you do, please remember to post all of your social media handles in that picture or your postcard. Please do not send me any nudes because we don't do nudity up here in this channel. It is PG, but every now and then I might curse, okay? And when you do send me in that, I will give you a shout out on my next video, and then I pick a goodie from my goodie bag, and I will... Yeah, and I'll send that in the mail to you. What did I just drop on the floor? Because, of course, I foundation on my carpet. Brilliant. That's it, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Go Raptors. Mwah. Bye.